Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Setmore, a popular scheduling and booking platform. I've been using Setmore for a while now, and I found it to be a really helpful tool for managing my appointments and bookings. But one question that I often get asked is, does Setmore charge a fee? In this video, I'm going to answer that question in detail. I'll also talk about some of the other features that Setmore offers, and I'll share my thoughts on whether or not Setmore is a good value for the money. So, does Setmore charge a fee? The answer is yes and no. Setmore offers a free plan, but there are also paid plans available. The free plan includes basic features like scheduling, booking, and reminders. The paid plans include additional features like online payments, automated emails and text messages, and reporting. The cost of the paid plans varies depending on the number of users and the features that you need. For example, the most basic paid plan starts at $19 per month for one user. The most expensive plan starts at $99 per month for unlimited users. So, is Setmore worth the money? I think it depends on your needs. If you're a small business or individual who just needs a basic scheduling and booking tool, then the free plan may be all you need. However, if you're a larger business or if you need more features, then a paid plan may be a better option. Here are some of the things that I like about Setmore. It's easy to use. The interface is very intuitive and easy to navigate. It's affordable. The free plan is a great option for small businesses and individuals. It offers a variety of features. There are a lot of features available, so you can find the plan that's right for you. It's reliable. I've never had any problems with Setmore. It has a good customer support team. If you have any questions or problems, you can contact the customer support team and they will be happy to help. Here are some of the things that I don't like about Setmore. There are some features that are only available in the paid plans. The paid plans can be a bit expensive. There are some competitors that offer similar features for a lower price. Overall, I think Setmore is a good scheduling and booking platform. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a variety of features. If you're looking for a scheduling and booking tool, I would definitely recommend giving Setmore a try. So there you have it. That's everything you need to know about whether or not Setmore charges a fee. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.